What's going on, everybody? Tonight we're going to do Futurama Artillery 12 shots by Raccoon Fireworks. Here's what you get. All the way down, the first 6 and then the other 6. Alrighty, let's open this box up and see what they look like. Here's what they look like. Here's what the ball shell looks like. They're actually pretty heavy for a ball shell. So, and then you get a fiberglass tube. Kind of wish they would have put at least what they are on the shells. That would have made it a lot easier to do, but they didn't. So let's go out here and see what these really look like. Here we go with Futurama. We're going to do 3 onesies, and then we're going to do 5, and then we're going to do 4. You ready? Just hit 1. Here we go with the second. Wow, for a ball shell, that's nice. Here we go with the third. Not bad. And then now we're going to do 5. Nice. And now we're going to do the final 4. Not bad for ball shells, but they are better when they're fused together. If you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe.